Welcome back, traders. I'm glad you're here today. In this short video today, I'll show you my 100 times back-tested result in a roll on the Euro USD with EMA plus fractal indicators on the 15 minutes chart frame. At the end of this result, we would see the effectiveness of the EMA plus fractal indicator strategy in the market. This strategy consists of the 3 EMA periods and the fractal indicator combined together to formulate an effective approach in the market if properly utilized. I will highlight some of the zones where this trading strategy works out on the 15 minutes chart of the Euro USD, and then we'll proceed to execute 100 trades based on this simple trading strategy. Take note, the higher the time frame you go to implement this trading strategy, the better result you tend to have. Also, it's safer to apply this trading strategy on the higher time frame due to the craziness of market movements on the lower time frame. I won't cherry-pick trade setups. Instead, I will execute trades that confirm to the 3 EMA periods and the fractal indicator, even though such trade setups occurred in a ranging market. You can get done your assignment by backtesting this trading strategy based on this setup concept in order to fine-tune your trading system. It's time I show you some of the examples of trades that conform to this trading strategy concept before we proceed to the 100 times trade backtesting. To implement this trading strategy, we need to see the crossover of the 3 EMA indicator. The blue EMA line is 20 period. The yellow EMA line is 50 period, while the red EMA line is 100 period. To anticipate a bullish setup, we need to see the blue line cross over above the red and yellow lines. Also, the yellow line 50 period EMA should be above the red line 100 period EMA. Whenever these crossovers occur, it signifies a bullish setup. Next is to patiently wait for price to pull back into the EMA periods. Once we have price pullback into the EMA, then we wait for the fractal indicator to generate a green signal. This green signal is a confirmation of the bullish move. We can then proceed to make a buy entry on the next bullish candlestick. As we can see here, the next bullish opening candlestick here gave confirmation of the bullish move after the fractal indicator green signal here. For selling setups, we are looking for the blue line, 20 period, to be below the 50 period yellow line, and the 50 period yellow line to be below the red line 100 period. Once this crossover occurs, it suggests the selling setup in play. Next is to patiently wait for price to pull back into the EMA periods. Once we have the price pullback into the EMA, then we wait for the fractal indicator to generate a red signal. This red signal is a confirmation of the bearish move. We can then proceed to make a sell entry on the next bearish candlestick. Here's how it works if we replay the buy entry setup here. After price made a bearish pullback to the EMA indicator in this bullish trend, we need to see the fractal indicator generate a green buy signal. Once we have the fractal green signal, we can then make a buy entry after the first bullish candlestick here. We can have our stop loss below the 100 period red line EMA here. We can use the yellow line 50 period EMA to trail our profit. Then we target 1.5 times our risk value. So let's see how the trade goes. We can see this was a good trade setup. Also, take note, I won't be adding to an existing open trade. I will close an open trade before taking a new one. It's time I show you my 100 times back-tested trades based on this trading strategy concept. So here's the result I got on the 15-minute chart frame of the Euro USD. I implemented the 1 to 1.5 ratio. That was on 100 trades for 4 days. I got 60 wins and 40 losses. Most wins in a row is 6. Most losses in a row is 4. Gain on the account is 30%. Here's a good trading record. Like I said, backtest this trading strategy based on this setup concept in order to fine-tune your trading system. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.